Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make adobo chicken. It's Philippine recipe. Let's start. First, I have 400 gram of chicken with the bone. I add bay leaves. I add garlic. I add 1 big spoon of soya sauce, and I add 1 small spoon of coriander with 1 small spoon of black pepper with 1 big spoon of white vinegar with some of lemon juice. We mix it and we leave it in the fridge for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we add some oil. We leave it to be hot and we add the chicken. We fry for 5 minutes in the high heat and we take it out. Now in same pan I add the garlic, the bay leaves. I mix it for 20 seconds, and after I add the sauce where we marinate the chicken, and I add more little water. I mix it for 1 minute in the medium heat. Now add 1 big spoon of white sugar. Mix it very well. And 1 small spoon of cornstarch. Mix it with little water and add to the sauce. Mix it very well and leave it in the medium heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we add the chicken. We mix it well and we cover. We leave it for 20 minutes in the low heat. After 20 minutes, our food it's done, ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.